Hello my friends, my name is Sabina and I'm from 12th grade. I'm from ISMA Premier Private School and my topic is today about hyaluronic acid concentration in different serums and their effect on the skincare. I found that there is a correlation between concentration of hyaluronic acid and the effectiveness of the drug and the medical effectiveness of the drug. So I began to research the literature of hyaluronic acid and its properties, as well as its use as a cosmetic product. I found that cosmetology field is really huge in marketing and there is a really few scientific information. Then I began to research information about what effects hyaluronic acid has depending on concentration. I learned that in a mixture with other acids, hyaluronic acid is used from 2 until 15%. I collected information about different methods which can be used to determine the concentration of weak organic acids. Such methods can be as titration or high-performance liquid chromatography, but the best suited method for me was tensiometric titration because it's quite simple, quite accurate, and best variant available in the school laboratory. To make a tensiometric titration of the total concentration of acids in serum, I had to select for each serum its own concentration of sodium hydroxide and a volume of 0.1 hydrochloric acid because the concentration of each sample had a different acid concentration. For doing the experiment, I did from 2 of 3 trial experiments that allowed assess whether my solution is not concentrated enough to use the entire volume of Barrett and reach the pH 12. On an analytical balance, I measured 3 grams of serum. Then I took a measure cylinder and added 50 milliliters of the ionized water. And I realized that the pH is 7 like in any other cosmetic skin product. So I added 2 milliliters of 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid to decrease pH from 7 to 1. Then I added titrated sample of sodium hydroxide and measured the pH. Then I wrote the data down and continued the titration until it reached 12 pH. Using this data, I made a titration chart for weak hyaluronic acid, and using this titration chart, I determined the concentration of hyaluronic acid in each serum. Having collected all the necessary data from all the graphs, I started to analyze them. I drew the baselines that are located at the bottom and at the top of the graph, and then I drew a line that is inclined, and using mathematics I found the midpoint of this line. This point corresponds to the equivalence point for the titration, which means that the sodium hydroxide and the acid in the solution are the same. Then I carried out the calculation using the titration formula and found how much concentration is in my sample. And it turns out that indeed stronger products contain the concentrated solution of hyaluronic acid, other fruit acids, and therefore a stronger cosmetic effect. And this way I confirmed my hypothesis. For more accurate data, I should expand my research and turn to a more accurate and detailed composition of these drugs. Also, expand the list of drugs and use more accurate methods of analysis such as high-performance liquid chromatography. This research helped me to select skincare products that are better, that are contain hyaluronic acid, and achieve really good skin condition.